Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stop search indexing in Outlook. This is particularly useful if you're experiencing slow performance or want to reduce system resource usage while working with your emails. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the settings we need to modify. Make sure everything is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step, as this ensures all the menu options will be available. Once your email has loaded completely, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this tab located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open this menu. After clicking File, a menu will appear on your screen. Take a moment to look at the very bottom of this File menu where you'll see the Options button. Click on Options to proceed. This will open the Microsoft Outlook Options window, which is your control center for customizing how Outlook operates on your system. Now, in the Microsoft Outlook Options window, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll see several tabs listed vertically. Look for and click on the Search tab. This section controls how Outlook handles search functionality and indexing. Within the Search tab, you'll notice a button labeled Indexing Options. Click on this button to open the Indexing Options window. In the Indexing Options window, you'll see a button labeled Modify. Click on Modify to access the list of locations that are currently being indexed by your system. A new window will appear showing you all the indexed results. From this list, locate Microsoft Outlook. You'll see a checkbox next to it that's currently checked, indicating that Outlook is being indexed. To disable search indexing for Outlook, simply remove the check from this checkbox by clicking on it. Finally, once you've unchecked the Microsoft Outlook option, click on OK to save and retain these changes. This will stop Outlook from being indexed, which should help improve performance if indexing was causing issues. And that's it. You've successfully stopped search indexing in Outlook, which can help your system run more smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.